Religion is for ritual practice. Spirituality is for visioning, intervention.
Many people use religion and spirituality as though they mean exactly the same thing. But in Igbo worldview, they are connected without being identical. Is there a clear distinction between religion and spirituality in Igbo thought? Let us listen to Professor Opata as he separates these concepts very clearly.
Spirituality in Igbo religion, I think spirituality should be spread everywhere in terms of access to metaphysical knowledge, not beyond here, to extraordinary seeing, to extraordinary hearing of things. So you may be here and where I do something, you hear a voice, don't do this, don't do that, or go and do this, go and do that. I don't think it's tied to religion. Or you dream and they show you certain things and tell you how life is. Then because we are not diviners, so sometimes you take for granted that this is what it literally means.
Now let us pause and make the distinction clearer. In this discussion, spirituality refers to personal experience, dreams, intuitions, warnings, visions, and insights that a person believes come from beyond the immediately visible world. Such an experience does not automatically become a religion. Religion provides a recognized system through which a community understands, regulates, and responds to the sacred. The experience in this conversation are the guest's personal testimony. They should not be treated as proof that every Igbo community understands spiritual experience in exactly the same way.
So that's part of spirituality. I think it can happen in Christianity, it can happen in Buddhism, it can happen in anything.
The central argument is that spirituality is not the exclusive property of one religion. A Christian, Muslim, or traditionalist may report dreams or visions. Religion gives such experience a framework. Spirituality describes the encounter itself.
Religion, I think, is the ritual practice of relating with the supernatural, with the deities, at least in Igbo land. For instance, there's no place I know in Igbo land that God Ezechitoke has, or Chukwu, has any shrine where he's worshipped in Igbo. But you have deities that are shrines left and right.
Professor Opata insists that Chukwu is the supreme being, while deities are channels connecting us to Chukwu. In Igbo tradition, deities may vary from one community to another, but all Igbo communities accept Chukwu as the supreme being.
Religion is for ritual practice. Spirituality is for visioning, intervention.
We can now state the difference plainly. Religion is the shared structure. Rituals, shrines, sacred offices, communal rules, and accepted forms of worship make up religion. Spirituality, on the other hand, is the lived encounter, the experience of guidance, intuition, vision, presence, or connection with realities beyond the visible world. Religion can organize spirituality, interpret it, and place boundaries around it. But religion and spirituality are not exactly the same thing. The conversation now moves from the general distinction to a second question. What makes indigenous Igbo religions structurally different from religions such as Christianity and Islam?
I normally want to discuss Igbo religion from what it is not.
Okay.
Because of modernity and because of our encounter with foreign religions. I start by saying that it's not an institutional like Christianity. It's not historical, founded by any person that is known to history. It's not religion for children. Sunday school, Bible school, and all that is where children go and memorize what they don't understand. And it's not an evangelizing religion. It doesn't go to convert any person.
Religion may organize sacred life, but spirituality is the experience that gives sacred life is personal meaning. In the Igbo worldview, the two can meet, support one another, and sometimes create tension, but neither completely replaces the other. The more important lesson is that Igbo religious thought cannot be understood properly when every shrine, dream, ritual, deity, and spiritual experience is placed under one careless label. We must therefore define before we judge. Now, do you agree with this distinction between religion and spirituality? Tell us your town or your community and explain how Chukwu, the deities, dreams, divination, and family religious responsibilities are understood in your community. Let us together document every shade of Igbo thought with knowledge, respect, and honesty. Like this video, share it with others, and subscribe to Ndigbo Viva as we continue the mission to understand and advance Igbo civilization.